Hi, I'm Florent with Pelican International. We're in Oregon at the moment, and today we're going to take a closer look at how to inflate the Pelican Antigua 106. The Pelican Antigua is one of our favorite products this year. The reason why we love the Antigua so much is because it is portable. You can take it anywhere you want, by train, by car, by plane, and it comes with literally everything you need in this backpack. So let's take a closer look at how to inflate the Antigua and have fun on the water. When you purchase the Antigua 106, what you get is, of course, an air pump, a leash, very important, a foldable paddle, a repair kit, and of course, the board. We almost forgot a removable fin. That is a high quality fin that will help you track better. What you want to do now is lay the board, take the pump, and the valve to inflate the board is located at the rear of the paddle board. The pump is a double action pump, so every time you pull, you will be inflating, and every time you push, you will be inflating as well. Connect the hose to the valve by pushing and twisting. And now comes the fun part. It will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This is actually a very good warm-up for your arms and your upper body before you get in the water. Once you've reached around 10 psi, switch to a single inflation mode until you reach 12 psi. Take the board upside down, unscrew the bolt, push the fin towards the little bolt, align the holes, and screw it back in. Now, before we get on the water, we need to assemble the paddle. It's very easy to set up. Push the middle part into the paddle here, open the latch here, slide it in. An easy way to adjust your paddle size is to take your height and add 5 to 10 inches. Now, before getting on the water, don't forget to have your PFD with a little whistle. And that's it. We're ready to go have fun. So make sure you tag your pictures at MyPelican on Instagram, like our Facebook page, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on the water. Take care.